In this video, we're going to be looking at solving simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are when you've got two equations that you have to solve at the same time. You will always have three parts to it. You have an x, a y, and a numerical value. We start off by making sure that our middle value, which in this case is the y, is equal. Now to make them equal, we have to multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3, and you multiply the whole equation. So we'll have new equations with 8x minus 6y equals 22, and we'll have 18x minus 6y equals 27. Now we write down the four-letter word DAS, which means different, add, same, subtract. And we're talking about our operations there. If they are different, then we add the equations together. If they're the same, we subtract. So we've got 8x take away 18x. Or what we could do now is switch them. So we've got 18x take away 8x, which gives me 10x. We also need to switch these two round. So I've got 27, take away 22, which gives me 5. So if 10x equals 5, x would equal 0.5. Now we've got a value for x, we can substitute it in to find a value for y. So we choose one of our equations. I'm going to choose this one here. So I've got 6 lots of x, which is 6 lots of 0.5, minus 2y equals 9. 6 lots of 0.5 is 3, minus 2y equals 9. I need the y on its own, so the first thing I need to do is get rid of the 3. So I've got minus 2y equals 9, take away the 3, so minus 2y would equal 6. I divide that by minus 2, so y would be minus 3. Here we have another simultaneous equation, however it's in the form of a diagram. I know the perimeter of the triangle is 19 centimeters. Now I also know that this is an isosceles triangle, which means two of my sides are equal. So that must make this 2x as well. So my equation would be 4x plus 3y equals 19. And for the second shape, I know it's a square, which means that this side is exactly the same as this side. So I know my square will equal 12. So I'll have 6x minus y equals 12. I need to make both equations the same for the y's, so I multiply this one by 3. So I've got 4x plus 3y equals 19, and I've got 18x minus 3y equals 36. I write down my four-letter word of DAS. Different, add, same, subtract. And remember, I'm looking at these. They're different, so I add the equations together. So 4x add 18x will give me 22x. 19 add 36 will give me 55. So x would equal 2.5. Now I know the value for x, I can substitute in to find the value for y. So I've got 4 lots of 2.5, add the 3y equals 19. So 10 add 3y equals 19. So 3y equals 19, take away 10. So 3y would equal 9, and y would equal 3. pause the video and have a go at this one, and then come back and check your answer. We know the first shape is a square with a perimeter of 62. I know one side is 2x plus 3y, so to find one side is 62 divided by 4, which will give me 15.5. So 2x plus 3y equals 15.5. And I've got x plus 2y would be equal to 9. So we should have had a solution of x equals 4 and y equals 2.5.